In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the log function in Excel. The log function returns the logarithm, or the power in which a number needs to be raised to get to the original number. To use this function, just equals log, open parentheses, and the first argument is the number, which is the only argument required to make this function work, as you can tell by how the second argument is in brackets. By default, the log function will use a base 10 logarithm. So I do close parentheses, for example, and I do 1.93 raised to the 10th power, which will return I do 10 raised to the 1.97 power. That will give me the 94. But one of the beauties of the log function is I can go ahead and specify what base I want to use. So even though by default the base is 10, as you can see right here, I can specify, for example, a 3 base. And now, as you can see, this won't make any sense anymore right here. But by changing the 10 to a 3, that will now give me to a 94. I can go ahead and drop this function down by doing Control C and dragging down, or the fastest and easiest way is to double click this little box right here. And now I have the log base 3 of all these numbers like so. I can remove the decimals by just going to the Home tab and clicking this little box right here to remove the decimals. And as you can see by testing to the right, the log base 3 is like so. The number 3 raised to the power in column D returns me the original number. Note, there's another argument, the log base 10, which is helpful because you automatically know with this function that the base is 10, but the log function is more versatile as it defaults to the base 10 anyways. So that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.